There is nothing simpler than an egg, and there's nothing more complicated than trying to figure out what the words on an egg carton mean. So I'm here to explain it all for you. Every egg in the supermarket is a grade A egg, all farm fresh, and they're all hormone free. Now color, we all love pretty things, these seafoam eggs in particular, but nutritionally and flavor-wise, all of these eggs are the same, and so color is not an indication of anything important other than what's pretty. So let's talk about the things that are important. Pasteurization. Now, pasteurized eggs are great if you want to use them in raw applications, like a Caesar salad dressing. I will tell you, if you want to use them in a souffle, the whites don't whip as well, so you may not want pasteurized eggs for that application. Next up, organic. Now, this is regulated by the USDA and means that the birds are eating an organic diet and have access to the outdoors. Certified Humane is regulated by a third-party organization, and it will mean that they're in warehouses with regulations about the number of birds that are inside, and no practices like debeaking are used on the farm. Next up, there's some terms about location. First one is cage-free, which you see on this label here, and this does mean that the birds are not raised inside of cages, but they're probably still inside in a warehouse. Free range, which is a term the USDA regulates, does mean the birds have access, continuous access, usually through a little door in the warehouse to go outside. Doesn't mean they're actually outside all that much, but if they want to go get some worms or some ants, they can go do that. So that was a long lesson about label reading. Now I've got time to answer some questions that you always send me. First off, should eggs be refrigerated? And the answer is, in the United States, yes. That's because supermarket eggs in the US are washed, and that removes the protective cuticle on the shell, and bacteria can therefore get inside the egg. Now, you may notice, if you've ever been in Europe in friends or family's home, that the eggs are on the counter. That's because supermarket eggs in Europe aren't washed. It matters where they go in the fridge. I know you're thinking, oh, that cute little egg tray that comes in some refrigerators with the indentations. You want to come home, take them out of the carton, and put them on the door of the refrigerator. That's a mistake. It's too warm. Also, this carton is protective. There's a lot of stinky stuff in your refrigerator. Think cheese, think onions. And those odors can actually penetrate the eggshell. It's going to take a lot longer if the eggs are kept inside of the cardboard or plastic container. Last up, how long will my eggs keep? The USDA is going to say 3 to 5 weeks. In the test kitchen, we've tasted eggs at 2 months, 3 months, and even 4 months, and they're fine. Although we'll tell you that the whites in the 4-month eggs didn't really whip well, and so you can't make a souffle with those. So that's everything you'd ever wanted to know about the wonderful world of eggs.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.